Hello, this is John with Modern Exterior. I am here in Pewaukee, Wisconsin, taking a look at a gutter problem that this homeowner is having. As you can see here, the gutters are currently back pitched towards that chimney there, and what that is causing is water to leak through and actually damage the tuck pointing. You can see right there that the tuck pointing is starting to wear away. Along with that, it is causing additional debris buildup in the gutters, creating problems of clogging and for overflowing, creating further issues with the home. On top of that, if you look up in this corner here, you can see that there is a gap starting to form because these are old steel gutters. Ideally, these would be replaced with aluminum that wouldn't rot away like the steel did up there. You can see here these downspouts are also undersized. They are currently 2 inches by 3 inches. A modern standard for gutters is a 3 inch by 4 inch downspout.